Hand-IMAL art. These could easily be mistaken for a photograph of a zebra. Everything about these painted animals, at a quick glance, looks real. But take a closer look and you realize that they are paintings. These pieces of art are not just any type of painting. These beautiful animals are the perfect examples of Hand-IMAL art. Hand-IMAL art is a special type of art. Instead of painting on canvas, the artist paints on the hands, wrists, and fingers. The art is considered part of the hyper-realist movement and was made famous by the painter and photographer Guido Daniele. An advertising agency saw the hand-animals he had painted and they started using them to promote their phones. Guido takes his hand painting very seriously. Before he paints each animal, he researches it fully to see how he can transfer it to a hand as realistically as possible. He selects which feature of the animal fits best on which part of the hand, and then selects a type of hand, male or female, fat or thin. Each hand-animal takes 3 or 4 hours to complete, a difficult task for the hand models who have to sit still through the entire session. Guido's work has been exhibited throughout the world, and he's now considered one of the best hyperrealist artists. He has worked on numerous advertising campaigns, and in the past, he helped raise awareness for the World Wildlife Fund, the world's most famous environmental organization, working to save endangered species. Many artists have followed his example, and hand art has become famous in many parts of the world. But those who are fans of the movement still consider Guido as the master of hand-IMAL art.